23 years ago, I was a computer science undergraduate student. I was working on a Tetris game for a course project, which took me 3 weeks. So I think that sent a pretty clear message to me. I'm not going to become a good programmer in the future. So that's the reason why I went to business school, got a PhD. 23 years later, here I am teaching programming courses. But the good news is that now students does not need to spend 3 weeks to work on a Tetris game like this. Now they only need one line of prompt, and the large language model will be able to take care of the rest. This is a very popular market right now. A lot of products are available on the market. This has dramatically changed the way that people program. But what does it mean for the business school courses? I want to share my experience on this using the 2 classes I teach as examples. The first one is Ideas 401. Basically, this is a Java programming class. It's also an analytics class. Traditionally, this class focuses a lot on the what. Basically, students are going to spend a lot of time getting lost on all the syntax, all the loops, all the implementation details. But now I try to pivot the class in a way so that the student can be freed from all the low-level syntax. So it can be taken care of by AI. And now they can focus on higher-level designs, system architectures, user experiences, things like that. The other thing is that the assignment becomes less helpful to evaluate the students. So now I put a lot more effort on the course project presentation, where students will need to elaborate the details of their software they develop. And then they also need to answer a lot of design questions in real time, so that to make sure they are not blindly using AIs for their works. The other interesting example is Ideas 405. Essentially, this is project management for software development. One of the key challenges in this class is that students learn a lot about different tools, concepts for developing software applications. But the issue is that they cannot actually see how these things play out in real life because students don't have the technical background to actually build softwares by themselves. Now with AI, I changed the flow of the course. I ask students to leverage everything they learn in class to create a document describing the specifications of the software. Then they can prompt this document to the generative AIs, and then the AI can generate the subsequent minimum viable product or MVPs. So for the first time, students will be able to see how their design decisions are actually shaping the product at the end. Although the AI system coding has a lot of challenges for the course teaching, but I also strongly believe that this is also an opportunity we should leverage. It could really help us to close the gap between the theory and the practice, and leverage and elevate our curriculum at the end. Thank you.